Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick tutorial for this beautiful Harry Potter theme called the Hedwig's theme. Now the entire song has only 4 major lines. We should be able to play it just like that without you even realizing it. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. Okay, so before we start, the entire guitar is on standard tuning. All your notes are on the bottom 2 strings only, so this is a very nice and easy beginner friendly song. So let's start with the song. The very first line of the song sounds something like this. So we have very good. Let's break that down. So we start on the second string open, we pluck that, then we pluck the first string open. And now as you can see, all the notes mostly are on the first and first string only. So the next notes, we just do 3, 2. Then we have 0 again on the first string. Then you have 7 on the first string again. Then 5th fret to the 2nd fret. And then the 0, 3, 2 comes again. So you again have 0 on the first string. 3, 2. This time you have the 4 on the second string. And then 1 on the first string, and then 0 again on the second string. So the entire song has mostly 3 notes on the second string, everything else is really on the first string. So let's play that back again very slowly. Goes something like this. So we have very good. The next line goes something like this. So we have very good. So this one, let's break it down. The start of the song is pretty much the same. So we again have starting with the 0, 0, 3, 2, 0, then the 7. This time I'm going for the 10. Now if you look at my fingers, I'm going with my pinky for the 10, so that each fret can get one finger and I don't have to move a lot. So this part, after the 7, I go to the 10 with the pinky, 9 is the ring finger, 8 is the middle finger. Okay, same thing, this time you go to the 4. Again I will have one finger for each fret. This really makes your job a lot more easier. So if you can use as many fingers as possible, that will be awesome. So this part from 4 to the 8, 7, 6, very good. Then you have open second string, and then 3 on the first string, and then 0. Very good. Let's play that back again very slowly. Look at how I use my fingers. So from the start, very good. Next line. So next line goes something like this. We have on starting from the 3, very good. Now this line, as you can already see, everything is on the first string. So this is one of the easiest line to do in this song. Starts with the 3 on the first string, and for the 7 I just stretch my finger all the way. You can go like this, okay, but then you always have to hunt for that 3 every single time. The best is that if you just leave the 3 there and you just drag it and you just pick up the pinky, keep it down, pick up the pinky, keep it down. It's a lot more easier than you think. Okay, so let's try this. So we have 3, 7. again 3, again 7, again 3. This time you go to the 8, and you have the same motion, so I want to use separate fingers for the 7 and 6. Then I go all the way to the 2, 3, to the 7, 6, 0 on the second string, again 0, and then 7 on the first string. Very good. One more time. Everything very slowly. Sounds like. Very well done. And here comes the last line. The last line of the song starts as again pretty much the same. So we go from the 3 on the first string. Again everything is on the first string only. And we go. Very good. Now again, if you look at my fingers, I really use as many as possible to make this section very easy for me. Let's break that down. The start of the song, again I want to keep my 3 where it is and stretch for the 7. So I go 3, 7, 3, 7, 3 again. This time instead of the 8, I go all the way to the 10. And then again one finger for each note. So 9, 8. Then the same section repeats, so I go to 4, again the pinky goes to 8, again one finger for 7, for the 6, then I have 2, then 3, and then 0, everything on the first string itself. Let's play that again, very slowly, sounds something like this. So we have. And that actually completes your song. Let's head to our play along now, but in case there is anything that you do not understand, then feel free to go back, re-watch it as many times as you need to and relearn before you come to this section again. So if you're all good with everything, let's dive right into the play along of the song. I really hope that you were able to learn this beautiful song in its entirety and that you were able to play along with the play along of the song. Now in case you have any doubts, queries, suggestions or song requests, then feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. If you really like this video, then feel free to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. In case you wanna see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go. And I will be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, that's all from my side. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.